Today we are going to see that this grammar is LALR1 or not. So first we write the closure, augmented grammar, then closure. We know how to write all these things very well. So closure s tends to dot s comma dollar. Now we will write go to function. So it will be s dash tends to dot s comma dollar, because it's a start symbol, so it will be dollar. And then s tends to a, s tends to a. This is augmented grammar we write here. Then s tends to a, so s tends to dot a dollar. Then a tends to ab, so we are writing a tends to dot ab comma dollar. Then now again a is here, so we will write a tends to dot a b comma a oblique b, because epsilon is there, so we will go for further to see the first of ab, because so then b tends to ab oblique b, so a and b both will come. So here it will be a oblique b, and again a tends to epsilon, so it will be epsilon. And because epsilon we went because of epsilon we see the further transition of b, that's why all will come dollar a oblique b, all will come. So this is completed, so this will be I naught, this will be I naught. Now we will check further. So what is left here? This is augmented grammar, and this will go for a transition. So for a transition, what it will be? It will be s tends to a dot comma dollar. Then because a is here, so it will be a dot b, a dot b comma dollar, because again it is there, so we will write go again. So it will be a tends to a dot b for further one comma a oblique b, because now because b is here, so this will come. So b tends to dot ab comma dollar a b, and b will also come dot b comma dollar a b. So this will be I 1. Now we will see further for b, because what is left now? A is completed, b is left. So we will see for b. So what it will be? A tends to ab dot dollar a oblique b, and we'll see for a this transition, this transition. So what it will be? B tends to a dot b comma dollar a oblique b, and because b is here, so what will come? Dot ab comma dollar comma oblique a oblique b, and dot b comma dollar oblique a oblique b. So this will be I2. Here we are not seeing because this is completed, that's why we are not naming it. We are naming it because here something is left. So again what you will see, if we go for a, if we go for a, so where will we reach? We will reach here only. So we'll reach here only. So I think this is completed. Nothing is required to see further. So we'll see simply that any conflict is there or not. According to that, we will find out that grammar is LALR1 or not. So in I naught, what we will see here, only this is reduced, because we know in the first time it will reduce. So because of epsilon, only one single reduce is there, so no conflict, no reduce conflict at I naught, because only single reduce epsilon, so no reduce conflict, so it is okay. And what about I1? I1 one is reduced, I1 is reduced at dollar, this one is reduced at dollar. The first we can say first transition is reduced at I1, rest are shifting only, so no conflict at I1. Now we'll see to I2. I2 all are shifting, no reduce, so there is no problem at I2 also. So we can say simply this grammar is LALR1 grammar. This is LALR1